Hello guys, welcome to another Forex learning video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will generate good profit in US dollar versus Japanese yen. Just like you gave a lot of love to the previous video, please give a lot of love to this video too. Here I am applying the trade. I have calculated this lot with the help of position size calculator, the link of which is given in the description box. Guys, all our trades have been executed successfully. We have deposited $4,000 in this account where we are seeing a small loss. This loss will definitely convert into profit. The market was following a strong uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows for a long time, due to which buying opportunities have been created here again and again, but now the market is changing its trend. Let me explain it to you through technical analysis. Here we will connect this trend line at higher low points where the market is moving upwards, creating proper support points on this trend line. We will connect all these points properly with the trend line. Connect the second trend line with the same angle at higher high points. The market was following this uptrend channel very well for a long time, due to which a strong uptrend has been created here. At this point the market has given a strong trendline breakout, and now the market is retesting the trend line and moving downwards. From here the market can give a good move downwards. We will draw a strong support resistance level, which will give us strong selling signals. For this I am using the rectangle tool. The market has created multiple support resistance points at this level. Whenever the market has come near this level, it has always reversed. Here the market first took resistance and later broke it to make it support because the market was following a strong uptrend here. But now the market has broken the strong level along with the trend line. High probability chance market may move down from here as we got strong selling signals here. Our analysis here is absolutely in the right direction. Let's see how the market reacts to this setup. Here my stop loss will be above the strong support resistance level, which is 28 pip above. If this is a fake breakout, then the market will reverse back upwards, and the target point will be 56 pip down where the market can make a new lower low. Here my target point will be double the stop loss because I am following the risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2 here. Guys, our loss has reached close to $1,000. We hope this loss will surely convert into profit. We will not close the trade until one of the stop loss and target points is hit. Guys, if you want to do proper analysis in Forex, then you will need a lot of high technology features. You can easily access all these features on FastBull because FastBull provides you real-time charts, top news, economic calendar, top trader analysis, latest signals absolutely free. That helps you a lot. FastBull keeps bringing new offers for its users, in which 2024 FastBull Season 1st Trading Contest is starting now, whose registration is open now. Go and register because this contest will start from October 15th and end on October 31st. You can easily see the prizes of this contest on the FastBull website, where the first winner will get $10,000, second winner will get $5,000, and third winner will get $3,000. At this place you are given information about all the rules of the trading contest, in which you are told in detail about event details, eligibility, ranking rules, trading terms, violations, awards. If you want to know more about this contest, then the website link is given in the description box and comments section, which you can check out. If you want to learn trading of Forex stocks, then FastBull has uploaded their complete playlist for educational purpose, which you can access absolutely free. This will help you a lot in your trading. Joining FastBull is absolutely free. You do not have to pay any charges for this. Now we come back to our video and wait for the market to hit our target point, because here we will follow all our rules properly. Till then, enjoy the video. See you guys after some time. Out of me, you better watch out if you ignite me. A road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling his sword, never getting bored, loves the blood and gore. Always wanting more, freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force of hearted. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the dark. Beautiful move, guys. The market reacted as we thought the direction of our trade was correct, due to which we got very good profit. The market went straight down after applying our trade. We did not expect this at all. We trusted our setup and did not close the trade midway before the stop loss or target was hit. Always follow your rules in the market, never break your rules. Only then you can become a profitable trader. Our target point was at this level, which has just been hit. The market is moving downwards very fast. Because sellers are very active here, the market may fall further from here. Now I will draw the next level and tell you from where the market will reverse or where it can rest. This will give you an idea of your next move. The market has been respecting this level for a long time, due to which the market is repeatedly creating support and resistance points at this level. Reversal points will be created at this level in future also. The market is currently very close to this level, due to which the market can break this level and go down significantly. If this does not happen, then the market will reverse back upwards from here. Our goal has been achieved here. Now wherever the market goes, we have nothing to do with it. Let us close the trade now. Guys, right now we are making very good profit, which is above $9,000. We had deposited $4,000 in this account, which has now grown to $13,455. We grew this account systematically. Always remember that small accounts grow only with risk management. If you have learned something from this video, then give it a like. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
Like this.